Hi everyone, in this video, I will talk about which is the best home design software, Room Sketcher versus SketchUp. First, for the ease of use. For Room Sketcher, it is very beginner friendly, it has a drag and drop interface and great for non-designers. Now for SketchUp, it has a steeper learning curve, it requires practice, but offers powerful tools. Now on purpose and focus. On SketchUp, it focuses on general 3D modeling software for architecture, interior, industrial design. While here on the Room Sketcher is specifically made for home design and floor planning. For design styles, here on Room Sketcher, it has a 2D floor plans plus 3D walkthroughs. Visual heavy, great for presentations. While here on the SketchUp, it is a full 3D design. Flexibility, precision modeling for professionals. Now on the customization. It is highly customizable. You can design any object or space from scratch here on the SketchUp. While here on this Room Sketcher, it is limited customization. You use pre-made furnitures and materials. Now for rendering and visualization. Here on Room Sketcher, it has a good quality 3D visualizations. For the rendering, it is fast and simple. While here on SketchUp, requires plugins for photorealistic rendering like V-Ray or Inkscape. Now for learning curve. Here on the SketchUp, it is moderate to high. It is best with tutorials or courses. While here on the Room Sketcher, it is easy for beginners. It requires minimal training. Now for the price. Here on the Room Sketcher, it has a freemium with affordable pro plans for advanced features. Also, it has a theme for professionals with high volume or more users. It starts at $35 a month. While here on the SketchUp, it has a free version also. Oh, never mind. It doesn't have a free version. It has a iPad and web, which goes around $17.99 a month. Here on Pro, you have $49.99 a month, while on Studio, it has a $749 per year. It is for advanced workflows. Now, the Room Sketcher is best for homeowners, real estate agents, interior designers, wanting quick layouts and walkthrough. While the SketchUp is best for architects, professional designers, builders who need advanced precision and 3D and full 3D modeling. If you're a beginner or homeowner and looking to design your own space, get the Room Sketcher. But if you're serious about design, like you're an architect or a construction worker and want long-term growth in 3D modeling, choose SketchUp. And that's basically it.